Hi everyone. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss about vitamin K. The vitamin K is one of the fat-soluble vitamin. It should be get through diet, even though it is required in our body from time to time. It is not synthesized in our body. Of course, it helps in synthesizing other blood clotting factors, but it is not synthesized in our body, and we have to take it through diet. What will happen if vitamin K is not taken through diet in sufficient quantity is it may lead to hemorrhagic disease in newborn. As the while the mother giving birth to a baby, if they have a vitamin K deficiency, and it may give rise to hemorrhagic disease. Hemorrhagic means the blood flow will not stop. We all know when we get a wound, after some time the blood will be clot. The blood flow will be stopped and the wound will start to heal. It is because of the presence of blood clotting factors inside our body. Finally, the blood clot will finally develop into a fibrin and it will be removed from our tissue. This is what normally happens. But if a person is having vitamin K deficiency, then they will not have the sufficient amount of blood clotting factors in their body, and the bleeding will not stop even after time. In that case, we need sufficient quantity of vitamin K in our diet, and also during surgical operations such as cardiovascular operations or any other operations, blood clotting is one of the necessary action that is required. In that time, a person should have proper amount of coagulants in their body. These are the deficiency conditions that may happen if the vitamin K amount is not right. And what is the recommended dietary allowance? The recommended dietary allowance of vitamin K is from 70 to 140 microgram per day. So every day we need that much quantity of vitamin K to prevent this hemorrhagic diseases, and we can take them through diet. In the form of green leafy vegetables. So vitamin A consists of all the colorful vegetables, and the vitamin K consists of only all the green vegetables and fruits, and also the leafy vegetables. Everything will be green, such as kiwi fruit, avocado fruit, and the Brussels, broccoli, lettuce, and spinach. Everything is green here. And if we take those components in food, and then we can have sufficient amount of vitamin K in our body. And the vitamin K chemical nature is phylloquinone. It is available in three forms. One is vitamin K1, another one is vitamin K2 and K3. Here K1 is phylloquinone, and K2 is menaquinone, and K3 is menadione. These three are the necessary chemical nature of vitamin K, and this has to be present in our food intake. And the biochemical functions are very much similar to deficiencies. If we intake vitamin K in our food, then this will help in the synthesis of blood clotting factors such as thrombin and prothrombin, and they help in the clotting of blood in case of emergency situations such as surgeries and operations. One should have necessary amount of blood clotting factor in their body, and also if they get any wound, or if they come in contact with any type of injuries, their wound have to heal. We need necessary amount of vitamin K in our diet. And the vitamin K is one of the fat soluble vitamin. It is, of course, it is soluble only in fat, and its unique property is having a blood clotting factor, and it acts as a blood clotting factor. And its sources are only plant sources. Vitamin K is mostly available in only plant source, And we have some animal sources also, but the plant sources are found to be rich in vitamin K. Thank you.